Good morning, 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. We are here together today for our first virtual assembly, right? Today's theme is what a daily routine is. So, just a quick reminder of our assembly rules. At school, this is how we always start our assemblies, right? But at home, these rules are not very useful. On the other hand, something that we always look at assemblies are really useful, either at school or at home, and our Escola Leva values. Our Escola Leva values are meant to be practiced anywhere you might go, right? So at school, we live by these values, and at home, we should also live by these values, especially now when everyone is a bit uncertain, right? And everyone's a little bit stressed out because we have to stay home. Being kind is super important. Be kind to your brother, to your sister, to your mom, to your dad, to your caretakers. Respecting the rules and respecting everybody's space at home is also super important. Responsibility is crucial right now because you're getting lots of work your teachers are sending you, right? And you have to do this work by yourself. Enthusiasm because we're always eager to learn, and also excellence because at Escola Leva we always try our best. Now, about daily routines. So at school we have a very structured routine, right? You arrive at school, you have either assembly or welcome time or yoga in the mornings, right? And then this could be the layout of your day. Usually, you would have this list with the times on the side. So every time you need to know what to do, you look up at the board and your daily routine is right there for you. Now, what about at home, right? Now we're at home, and what should our daily routine be like? To give you an example, I'm going to show you a little bit of my daily routine, and then we're going to talk about some strategies we can use for you to organize your day in a more productive way. So this is my daily routine. I wake up, I eat breakfast, I brush my teeth. Sometimes I brush my teeth, eat breakfast, brush my teeth again. Okay, and then I walk my dog, I feed my dogs. I actually have 4 dogs. And I also feed my cat, and I have a special guest for you today. Lila. See, so this is actually kind of like a picture of my dog. This is Lila, she's my oldest dog, and since I didn't have a guest for assembly today, I decided to invite her. I had to bribe her with chicken though. Now she's looking for more. Good morning. Okay, and then after I have walked the dogs, fed the dog, fed the cat, then I sit down at my computer because like I said, I'm doing home office, and I start working. And then after 2 hours and a half, 3 hours of working, I stop because I do some cooking because my whole family is home with me. So we don't like dog food or cat food, so we have to cook, right? So we cook together and then we have lunch. Now, I have a question for you. What about you? Do you have a daily routine at home? What do you like to do in your free time? Well, I listed some examples of things you might like to do at home. You might like to read stories or listen to stories or listen to audiobooks. You might like to play with your toys, play board games, chess, who knows, watch a little bit of television, right? These are things you could do in your free time at home. Now, what is important is that we have a good balance of the school activities, meal times, and free time. So, to help you organize your day, this is something you could use. A weekly planner, right? I know this one is super fancy, and there are lots of examples that you can download online, but if you want, you can make one with a sheet of paper. You fold it in half, then you fold it in half again, and then you fold it in half again. And when you open your paper up, you will have 8 little rectangles. rectangles. What I did over here is I wrote the names of the days of the week, one for each square, and I left one for notes. And then what you would do is you would organize get up time, breakfast time, studying time, fruit time. Maybe you can do fruit time at home just like you do at school. Then more studying, maybe a little break for playing, maybe playing a board game or playing with your brother or your sister, and then back to a little bit of studying. Maybe you could watch some TV, exercise. Now, daily planners, this is a daily planner I use. So this is my daily planner. As you can see, I've used it quite a bit. I write everything I have to do in my daily planner. And this one is divided in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns because it has all the days of the week and then Saturday and Sunday together. Well, I hope you decide to make a daily planner to organize your routine and have a super productive day. And next week, we'll be together again for our next virtual assembly. Beijos!